Morning, everybody. My name is Alexander, and this is my catch up for this week. Today is March 4th, 2021. So let's do a recap of last week. So last week I had a sentiment on CHFJQI where I said I was expecting the market to run into this level. We can see that the market has done that, and we saw a rejection of that level back to this support. So we might see the market run back to the upside or back to this level for it to do whatever it wants to do. Or we can just say we are in the bearish market from this impulsive move, the correction back here. We see structure playing out on lower time frame also. So you can draw a Fibonacci here like this, and you have structure points where you see the market doing some type of movement, but this level is a strong zone. A break of this level will signify the market coming as low as this level here. Okay, so a break of this level will signify the market running into this level. So a rejection off of this level will mean the market wants to go back higher. So that should be about over 100 pips and potential 230 pips. While to the downside, it's going to be a potential 140 pips potentially. So also I had a projection on EUR USD, and where I said since it's at a rejection on lower time frame, it was a higher low scenario. It was here, and I said I expected the market to create, it was here. It was here where I said the market just gave a higher high, and what we expect is the market running back down for a continuation to the upside. So give me a second, let me confirm. Last month was 25th, so it was this level. So it was this. I expected some type of higher low for a continuation to the upside, and you can see that it gave that for a continuation to the upside, but still I said it was in a range, and we can see that the market has broken that range. The market has broken the range. There was a range here. We see that the market broke the range and it's in a downward move now. And drawing your fibs, you can see the market has given some type of higher low and a break of the trend line, a retest of the trend line I drew last week. A retest, a rejection. So we might see the market give some type of double top. Might see the market give some type of double top before dropping back down. Or we might just call this level some type of break and saying this level is holding, and we might just see price push back to the upside. Remember, we are in a downtrend, but still there is no signal for us to go down yet. The only reason we can go down is if there is a confirmed break of this level here for a continuation to the downside. But if not, we will still be having a bullish retracement to the upside. What do we have here? We have AUD USD. Um, last week, which was 24th, 25th, we could see the impulsive move to the downside, but still this level is holding. This higher low is still holding, and as such, we're still good for even 100% retracement of this move back to the upside. We might see price push to the upside, or we might see price drop back down. So that's what we are looking at. And a look at gold also from last week. The market was around this level last week where I said I was expecting either a pushback up or a confirmed bearish move would be a break of this level, retest for a continuation to the downside. And that is exactly what we've seen. So what do we have for projection on gold now? This level looks like a fresh zone. So we might be expecting this market to run back up for a some type of retracement either to the 50%, 61 or the discount levels before doing whatever it wants to do. Let me draw some trend line to see if there is a way I can get a bias of gold. Okay, so we might see the market run into this level, but for that to be confirmed, we have to see some type of breaking structure out of this level for a bullish move. But for now, the bears are still in this market, so potentially the market can even run back into this level and drop. So running back to that level is about 200 pip. It's like a 200 pip move um, for a continuation to the downside or a break of that level or a break of this level for how many pip movement to the upside. So this would be around 300, 400 pip move. Yeah, this would be around 400 pip to the upside. So that's good. A look on VIX. Last week we were stuck in a consolidation. Let's go on lower time frame so you can see that. And I gave a bias where I said a break of the consolidation and we might be a bullish person or a bearish person. So this was it. This was the level that day, and I said a break of either levels and we are good for whatever moves. So we saw a break to the downside, a retest, and a push back down. Now looking at this market now, let's see what it does. We see that push to the downside, push lower low, lower high. We've seen that the break of that lower high. You pull out your fibs. We see a retest of that lower high for a higher low, but potentially I will be waiting for the market to run into the 618 for a continuation to the upside. And a confirmed bear would be a break of that level to potentially this point before we can see run back down lower. But for now, this is the short position and this is the long position. So that is that for my catch-up series. The other pairs I look at are just on they are just extensively in a one direction run right now. So there's no need to look at them until they are ready. Like for example, this I would be a seller for after I see a break of this level to the downside. I'll be a seller to the downside because it's at a monthly level. But regardless of that, I think the bullish run is still there. We have the GBPs. The GBPs are just this is a retest of this level, a retest of this level. Give me a second. The market just retested this level and it's rejecting. So either or we might see this market push back up, or we might see this market keep running down. So I'll be a confirmed seller if this 100% is broken for a continuation to the downside. But that's that. For GJ, what do we have here? GJ, I will be a seller if there is a break of this level to the downside, but the bullish move might just continue to the upside. What else? Um, that's that's that for that. We have projections already. For EUR we see a retest of this level, some type of bullish move, um, and consolidation. So we might see a continuation to the upside or a run to this level for a bullish move. I'll be a seller if it breaks here, and that is that. For AUD USD, I've already given that, so that's that. For CHF JPY, we have this. That's some type of bullish engulfing. So if you want to risk it, you might be a buyer um, to at least this level before being a confirmed buyer to the upside. So that's that for that. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment. If you have questions, ask. Follow us on all social media platforms at Traders Hub NG, at Yusha Mindset, at King ALXNDA, King Alexander. And I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.